Have you ever thought about the difference between brown egg and store-bought eggs? Before you eat your next egg, have you ever wondered what sets brown eggs apart from the regular ones available in the market? Let me tell you, you might be missing out on some crucial information. So I urge you to watch this video before cracking open your next egg. There is a huge difference between regular eggs and brown eggs, and I am about to reveal it all. I was shocked when I started researching the feed given to chickens, the food these farmed birds consume. What's inside may surprise you. Naturally, chickens are meant to eat grass, insects, and other natural foods, but the feed given to farm chickens contains GMO, corn and soy, which aren't their natural diet. But that's not the worst part. The feed also contains something truly alarming: animal byproducts. This includes remains of dead animals like their organs, skin, and sometimes even their excrement. At first, I thought this was just some baseless claim, but after digging deeper, I found that this is the sad truth about modern chicken feed. There's also something called vegetarian feed, which only consists of corn and soy. But even that is unnatural, as chickens are omnivores by nature and require a more diverse diet. Just feeding them grains isn't enough. Now let's talk about those eggs with deep yellow yolks that you may have noticed in the market. These are not brown eggs. They might look like it, but they're actually farmed eggs with artificial coloring. Yes, the yolk's color can be artificially enhanced using synthetic dyes. One such dye, xanthan, is banned in poultry in Europe due to its harmful effects on the retina. Unfortunately, in our country, there are no regulations regarding the use of these dyes in eggs. In contrast, when chickens eat their natural food, the yolk turns golden yellow, and the eggs are richer in natural antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are great for eye health. If the yolk is lighter in color, it means the egg is lacking in these essential nutrients. The use of artificial colors is simply a marketing trick to mislead consumers into thinking they're buying healthier eggs. Now let's discuss the environment in which chickens are raised. Conventional farm chickens are kept in overcrowded cages with barely a foot of space to move around. They never get to roam freely. Studies show that this environment raises their stress levels, causing an increase in the stress hormone cortisol, which is harmful to their health. On the other hand, native chickens roam freely in open spaces, staying healthy and happy. Their eggs are far richer in nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin B2, and folate, nutrients that are essential for your health. Speaking of health, let's touch on antibiotics. 2/3 of the antibiotics sold globally are given to farm animals. The chickens that produce farmed eggs are pumped full of antibiotics, growth hormones, and even steroids to make them grow faster and bigger. These chemicals end up in the eggs you consume. So when buying eggs, always check for labels like antibiotic-free, or better yet, opt for brown eggs. Brown eggs come from chickens raised in natural environments, without hormones, antibiotics, or harmful chemicals. They may be slightly more expensive, but when it comes to your health, it's an investment worth making. Ever seen those trucks on the road filled with caged chickens? It's a clear sign that these birds are neither healthy nor happy, and this affects the quality of their eggs. The conditions are deplorable, and the eggs are far from what you'd want to consume. And let's not forget about those omega-3 enriched eggs that look too good to be true. They often come with fancy packaging, but how do you know if the omega-3 is natural or artificially added? The source of this omega-3 might just be another gimmick. The best option, of course, is to raise your own chickens if you have the space. Imagine serving fresh, organic eggs to your guests. Not only will they be impressed, but the taste will be incredibly satisfying. So the next time you're in the market for eggs, remember, quality matters more than anything else. Thank you. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.